The school store is where you can buy school items online. Open the menu, tap Billing, then choose Store. Browse what is on offer, maybe a trip, a uniform, or the annual school photo. Each item shows the price, how many spots are left, and a deadline. Once an item sells out or the date passes, it closes, so it is best to book early. Tap any item to see the full details, then scroll down to start your order. Choose which of your children this is for. If it is for more than one, select each of them, and the total updates as you go. When you confirm, a separate invoice is created for each child you picked, so each one is paid on its own. And here is the key part: every invoice must be paid within 60 minutes, or it is cancelled automatically. So head straight to Invoices, open the order, and tap Pay Now to lock in your reservation. And you are all set. Remember, the items, prices, and dates here are only examples, and your school store may look different.